Hey there, small factory owners. Are you struggling with inefficient clinker grinding that's eating into your profits? What if I told you there's a compact, high-performance grinding machine designed specifically for operations like yours? Introducing our revolutionary clinker grinder, engineered to deliver industrial-grade performance in a space-saving design. No more wasting valuable floor space or dealing with outdated, bulky equipment that costs a fortune to maintain. This smart machine crushes clinker into perfectly uniform cement powder with incredible energy efficiency. Imagine cutting your grinding costs by up to 40%, while increasing your daily output by 30% or more. The automated controls make operation so simple, your current team can run it with minimal training. We built this machine with small factories in mind, focusing on reliability and easy maintenance. Forget about expensive shutdowns, our grinder keeps running day after day with minimal downtime. Think about what this could mean for your business. Higher quality cement, lower production costs, and bigger profit margins. Plus, it's environmentally friendly with reduced dust emissions and lower energy consumption. Many small factory owners like you have already transformed their operations with this machine. They're producing more cement, serving more customers, and growing their businesses like never before. Don't let outdated equipment hold your factory back from reaching its full potential. Ready to take your cement production to the next level? This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Click now to discover how this compact clinker grinder can revolutionize your small cement factory today.